Today we're looking at the 10,000 pound hydraulic drum brake torsion axle by Lippard. This heavy duty 10,000 pound axle is way to go. It has an 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, 5/8 studs with the Velcro oil caps, the aluminum oil caps. It has 12 1/4 by 3 3/8 hydraulic drum brakes on it. This particular axle has a 10-degree up arm on it with a high profile bracket. It's a heavy duty square tube that's filled completely of rubber. And it is ready to go. If you're hauling heavy loads and you want a nice smooth ride, check out the 10,000 pound torsion axles. They will give you no bumps, just smooth rides all day long. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.